United States of America proves to be one of the best countries that you can move in any part of the world, from just any part you're coming from. Reason because their salary, or rather their wages, are quite good. It is a very good country that has a lot of opportunity, that can get you quite a lot of opportunities in terms of education for your dependents, in terms of the quality of life for you and your family. And I feel like anytime I come across opportunities in USA, I'll always be here to update you, because I know quite a number of my followers are always excited to get to know different pathways that can land them to USA. In today's specific video, I want to share with you companies that can get you to USA, and definitely I'll be sharing my screen with you because it is very important for me to show you that these jobs are real. It is not like just hearsay. I'm not coming here to create videos without doing research, because it is always very good for me to back up anything that I'm sharing with you on my platform, and it is also good for me to own up my content and the information that I put out here. If you're coming across my videos for the first time, I share information matters, relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you want either a CV review, a one-on-one session, personalized job application, I have written and I share ebooks on now you can secure jobs or caregiving jobs mostly in USA. 2, I also have written a very good book that can help you secure any kind of job worldwide. A book that gives you and enlighten you on different companies and the top 10 websites that you'll get job. That book will also give you detail on the kind of CV and the different formats of CV that are there, and all that information, and how you can buy those books. They are books that are costing $4 USD, 5 USD. They are very good books that can enable you to move an inch closer. If you cannot afford a CV review from me or a one-on-one session, surely you can get 5 USD for you to actually equip yourself with all information that you need, as much as in terms of caregiving or job hunting abroad is needed. I share all that, and all that information, you'll find it on the description box. And anything I talk about on my channel is always explained further. If you watch my continuation of the video where I share the screen, I give a continuation of how you'll get jobs and how to apply for those jobs. To some extent, I'll not get to details on how you go past the apply button, because I'm not applying for the jobs by myself. The only thing and the best thing you can do for yourself is Google that website, check the jobs that are available. Once you find a job that you want to apply, click the apply button and you'll go through the application process. It is very simple and easy for me to do that, because I always get people who are asking, how do we apply? It is very easy. Just follow the video and you'll understand everything I'm talking about. USA has quite a lot of opportunities in general, whether unskilled job, very skilled job, whether green card jobs that give you the H2A Visa, you'll get all that in USA. If you want to move as a student, if you want to get scholarship, and you know you're a performer as a student, USA will offer you amazing platforms that can equip you and that can give you a head start in life as a foreign worker, as an international student, and name it. Let us see what is available and what can get you to USA under this pathway, because I quite know, I love it when I get testimonials from my followers that are securing interviews. As much as sometimes getting interviews at the embassy might be quite frustrating, I love it when companies are reaching out to my followers and they are going through the interview process and they are getting the job offer, and they are left knowing how to deal with the embassies and the biometric part of application. The thing is, people are doing it. Have a very well written CV, listen to what I'm sharing, watch the video till the end, because that is how you understand how to maneuver the application websites and the application tricks and tips on some of these companies and websites, and you'll be good to know. And also, you need to be very persistent. Nothing in this life comes easily. You need to send yourself out there, go out there, apply to as many jobs as you can.